Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. I know I've been a bad girl. I did not upload anything last week, but I thought I'd make it up by uploading like 3 variations of the same style. So that was style number 1, style number 2, and then coming up is style number 3. By the way, if you're new to the channel, I have so many other styles. Just click my name down below. It's going to take you to my channel and you'll see all my other videos. If you're looking for a hairstyle, any protective style or special occasion inspiration, I got you. So if you're not new here, you know this is how I like to wear my hair when I'm not doing anything with it. It's usually just twists, and I basically just spray water and add oil during the week, you know, just to keep it like that. And it's actually easier to go work out with it. I don't feel like I look crazy at the gym. Okay, so just unraveling that, and then after that I'm just going to divide my hair into two sections. So basically from ear to ear, and then I'm just going to section the hair at the front and leave it at side for the moment and deal with the back. So I'm just going to brush the back to the center and then just tie it in a small puff. I'm not using any products. You can use products if you want to. If your hair is shorter and you want to pull it in a puff or a bun, you can use gel to lay it down. So as you can see, I did like a zigzaggy thing. You can do just a simple middle part. This was just trying to be fancy, which it was okay, just not that great, but it was okay. You can just do a simple middle part if that's what you want to do. As you can see, again, I'm brushing my hair with a brush, just trying to lay down the edges, not using any product. Again, you can add gel or edge control if that's what you want. And as you can see, I'm just, oh my god, how many times did I say as you can see? Well, as you can see, oh my god, I'm being silly. Anyways, I'm doing a flat, not a flat twist, I'm doing a twist, and I'm just doing the second one again, just showing you guys. As you can see, I'm just rolling it. I'm just rolling my hair, and then I'm going to take a rubber band and secure the end to make sure that it does not unravel. I did another style. I think my last upload was basically the same thing, just rolling my hair again, and it was really cute, really simple, that you can do in 5 to 10 minutes and wear anywhere. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave it in the description bar. Is it description? Yes, in the description bar down below, so check that out. Okay, so I'm just repeating that to the front section, and I'm just doing 4 of them, as you can see. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking bobby pins and I'm laying the ends down because I cannot tie them around the band because my hair is short. I'm just showing you the bobby pin. If you're into doing hairstyles, I recommend you get this kind of bobby pins. They're so much easier to use. Okay, so for the first style, I am using this puff that I got from Shake and Go. Obviously, if your hair is long enough, then you can make your own puff. Mine is not. It only comes with one of those little combs or attachments. So usually what I do is I take a bobby pin and I attach it to that rubber band thing, and then I pin it in my hair. It's just more secure. And again, I usually add more bobby pins. Wow, I cannot talk today. So as you can see, I think it's very cute. But as you guys know me, if you're not new here, you know that I like to go a little bit of an extra mile and accessorize. I don't know, I'm a queen of accessories. Or maybe I'm like, I don't know, I just love accessories. If you can do it, it's so easy to do it, and it's just, I don't know, it ups the style, it adds something extra to it. So what I did is I added 2 pieces of these little accessories on each section, and as you can see, it adds life to it. See, it's just like natural hair to like fancy hair. Yes. Okay, so for the second style, I'm taking just a whole pack of Mali hair and I am tying it around my little band, and I'm just going to wrap the Mali hair around the little band and using bobby pins to make sure everything is secure and in place. Okay, so there we have it. This is the second style, and for the third style, I'm going to use these puffs that I actually made. I have a DIY tutorial on it. I'll leave it in the description bar down below, so check that out if you want to see how I made this. I really love how natural they look. I mean, look at that. It's so natural, it's so full looking, and I absolutely love it. This is my go-to all the time. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for coming by. Don't forget to, like the video, and I hope I see you on the channel next time. Have a nice day. Bye.